Stop recording when I mention you. Bye-bye to everybody with a special blinky. Bye-bye to everybody with more than 3 skincare products to use. Bye-bye to everybody with a full-size mirror in the bedroom. Bye-bye to everybody who's a fan of Taylor Swift and has a billion Taylor Swift things. Bye-bye to everybody that has a soccer trophy in their bedroom. Bye-bye to everybody with an LOL kit, but you don't put LOLs in it, you put your hair ties in it. And last but not least, bye-bye to anybody who has a vanity and puts a lot of stuff around it.